Getting monetized on YouTube is supposed to take months, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it in 30 days or less. And if you follow this playbook step by step, you can even start earning money before your channel ever gets monetized. We've tested dozens of methods, we've tried everything you can imagine, and the truth is brutally simple. If you do this right, you can start seeing real progress from your very first video. Stay until the end, because I'm going to show you the exact shortcut that helped our channel start earning from day one, long before the YouTube Partner Program ever approved them. Now, before we jump into the steps, here's something you should know about us. We've been running Faceless channels for years. In total, we've worked on more than 20 YouTube channels, and right now we actively operate several that bring in consistent income every single month. Some channels took off in 30 days, some took 6 months, and some completely died and had to be rebuilt from scratch. We've seen channels explode, we've seen channels get stuck in ghost mode, and we've learned exactly what works and what absolutely never works. Every step matters, so don't skip anything. Before any of the steps, you need to stop copying what everyone else is doing. This is the #1 reason beginners fail. They copy the same niches, the same titles, the same ideas, the same videos, and then they wonder why nothing grows. If your content looks like everyone else's, the algorithm has no reason to choose you. The fastest way to reach monetization is to stand out early, not blend in. Step 1, let's talk about strategy. There are 2 paths to monetization. You can either go for 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or you go for 1,000 subscribers and 10 million shorts views in 90 days. Both work, but based on our experience, the fastest and most reliable path is the watch hours route. Short views are unstable, unpredictable, and extremely difficult to convert into loyal viewers. Long form is where real creators are built. So in this video, we focus on the strategy that gets you to 4,000 watch hours the fastest. Step 2, choosing the right niche. Before you create a single video, you need to understand something most beginners skip. Choosing the right niche is one of the biggest factors that will determine whether your channel explodes or dies in silence. Picking a niche isn't guessing, it's strategy. And the niche you choose depends entirely on your goals. Do you want more views? Do you want faster monetization? Do you want to earn only from AdSense? Or do you want to stack multiple income streams? Do you want to talk about something you already understand? Or are you simply chasing the highest paying topics? Your answers to these questions shape everything that comes next. Now let's talk numbers, because numbers never lie. Some niches pay significantly more. Make money niche and health niche pays around $12 to $15 per 1,000 views. History and fitness niche pays around $8 to $12 per 1,000 views. And there are others too: technology, software tutorials, AI, productivity tools, all of which can pull in strong CTR and massive affiliate income. But here's the part most creators mess up. They pick niches that are too broad. Broad niches get views, but they don't get loyal audiences. If you choose finance, don't make random videos about every topic under the sun. Pick a lane: trading, investing, personal finance, or real estate, and stick to it. If you choose fitness, don't make generic workout content. Go specific. Fitness for new moms, fitness for beginners, fat loss for busy professionals. If you choose history, don't just retell events everyone already knows. Maybe your angle is, what if scenarios that explore alternate outcomes? Those videos pull insane engagement because people stay to see how the story unfolds. Specialization is what turns a viewer into a subscriber. And once you think you've found your niche, you still need to test it against 4 critical questions. How much does this niche actually earn? If the CPM is low and affiliate potential is weak, you'll struggle long term. Is this niche popular? Are people actively searching for this content, or is it dead? How saturated is it? If everyone is making the same videos, you need a clear angle that separates you. How many ways can you monetize it? AdSense, affiliate products, software tools, digital courses, ebooks, templates. The more revenue options, the better. If a niche checks all 4 boxes, you're in a strong market. And when you combine a profitable niche with specialized content and consistent uploads, your path to monetization becomes exponentially faster. Step 3, finding the right video ideas. This is where most channels fall apart. You don't find ideas by guessing. You find ideas by researching what already works and identifying what's missing. Look at the biggest channels in your niche. Which topics are performing best? Which topics have huge views but terrible execution? What are people asking in the comments? What problems are not being explained clearly? Your job is not to invent ideas. Your job is to solve problems better than the videos that already exist. A powerful method is to find 2 strong videos in your niche, analyze what makes them work, and combine their strengths into one stronger, clearer video. Another tactic is to deliberately choose topics that can keep people watching for more than 6 minutes, because retention is the key to reaching 4,000 hours fast. Your ideas must be interesting, searchable, valuable, and long enough to help you reach monetization quickly. Before you publish anything, you need a content plan. Never upload videos randomly. The most successful creators structure their entire first month before posting their first video. Here's an example you can use. Start with a pain video, a video that exposes the mistakes people in your niche make, the reasons they fail, or the truth nobody tells them. This grabs attention instantly. Then publish an action video and a video that tells people exactly what to do next, how to start, how to fix their channel, how to stop wasting time. And then release a value video, a deeper tutorial that proves you know what you're talking about and builds trust. One video will eventually outperform the rest. That video will carry the entire channel forward. Your job is to plan around that moment. That brings us to step 4, creating the actual videos. The first 30 seconds are everything. If your hook isn't strong, your video is dead. People leave instantly. Retention drops. The algorithm stops recommending you, and your channel goes nowhere. Your hook must challenge something, promise something, or reveal a solution people desperately want. You can do this by telling them what they've been doing wrong, by promising a result they want, by opening a curiosity gap, or by teasing value that will be revealed later in the video. After the hook, your pacing needs to be fast, clean, and engaging. No slow sections, no filler sentences, no long pauses. Every 10 seconds, something should keep the viewer interested. A new point, a new visual, a highlighted sentence, or a mini hook. Use cuts, transitions, zooms, sound effects, and text on screen to hold attention. And always tell viewers that something important is coming later. This opens loops and boosts retention. Retention is everything. If your video drops below 35% average view duration, YouTube will slowly stop pushing your content. If you stay above 40%, YouTube will start sending you more viewers. It's that simple, but almost nobody talks about it. Step 5, uploading a video. When it comes to uploading, the details matter. Thumbnail, title, description, tags, this is your storefront. If these fail, the video fails before anyone even watches it. Your thumbnail must grab attention instantly and clearly show the value of the video. Your title must make people curious, must promise something, or must answer a specific problem. And your SEO matters more than you think. The right tags, keywords, and descriptions tells YouTube exactly who should see your video. The better your data, the faster the algorithm learns who your audience is. And when YouTube finds your audience, there is bigger chance that someone will click on your video, which leads us back to building up your CTR, which then, if your video is good and retention is above 40 to 50%, you create a loophole and YouTube keeps pushing your videos. Step 6, the analytics. Now we need to talk about something that almost every beginner ignores, and it's the reason they stay stuck. If you don't understand analytics, you're not running a channel. You're just uploading videos and hoping for the best. And hope isn't a strategy. There are 3 metrics you must understand from day 1: CTR, retention, and SEO. If you can read these 3 signals properly, you will know exactly why your channel is growing or why it isn't. Let's start with CTR, or click-through rate. CTR tells you how many people clicked your video when YouTube showed it to them. If your CTR is below 4.5 to 5%, YouTube will not push your content. It simply won't. YouTube recommends videos that people click on, not videos that creators hope will perform. And the only 2 things that move CTR are your title and your thumbnail, nothing else. If your CTR drops, you fix those 2 elements. You change the design, the text, the promise, the structure. Today, you even have A/B testing inside YouTube Studio, so you can compare 2 thumbnails and let YouTube automatically choose the winner. If you're not using that, you're leaving views on the table. Next is retention. Arguably the most important metric of all, retention shows how long viewers actually stay on your video. If your average view duration drops below 35 to 40%, YouTube will slowly stop pushing your content. But if you can stay above that line, your video begins to rise. High retention tells YouTube, people like this, show it to more people. Retention is everything. It's why your pacing must be fast, your visuals dynamic, your hooks tight, your points clear, and your story engaging. A single boring section can kill an entire video. And here's the part people never use properly, the retention graph. Inside your YouTube Studio, you can see exactly where viewers drop off, where they rewind, where they skip ahead, and which sections they watch again. That graph is gold. If people leave at the same point across multiple videos, that's a flaw in your structure. If they rewatch certain sections, that's telling you what they value. If they skip boring or confusing parts, you remove those from future videos. Retention isn't a judgment. It's a blueprint for improvement. Finally, SEO. Most beginners think SEO is just tags, but it's everything. Your title, your description, your keywords, your structure, your metadata. Proper SEO tells YouTube exactly who your video is for. When YouTube understands that clearly, it knows where to place you, which audience to test you with, which categories to recommend you in, which search pages you belong on. When your SEO is aligned with your niche, YouTube stops guessing and starts pushing. Analytics is not something you check sometimes. It is part of the job. Every video you publish teaches you something. And the creators who grow are the ones who study their numbers, make adjustments, and improve with every upload. That is how you scale. That is how you reach monetization fast. And that is how you stop guessing and start creating with intention. And bonus that I promised you from beginning, the piece nobody talks about, but the one that can change everything for a new creator. Most beginners think monetization starts only after 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But that's not true. You can start earning on day one. You can make money from your very first video. And if you want to understand exactly how that works, step by step, our previous video breaks down the full strategy for day one monetization using affiliate marketing. In that video, we show you how a tiny channel with just a few hundred views can outperform fully monetized creators, why affiliate systems work so well with faceless content, and how to turn even your very first uploads into real income. If you missed it, make sure you watch it. It's on our channel right now. And here's the final reminder. Every single step we covered today, niche selection, content planning, video creation, SEO, analytics, we're going to break down in separate tutorials so you can follow them one by one. If you want to grow faster, make smarter videos, and build a faceless channel that actually earns, subscribe, follow along, and don't miss what's coming next.